and welcome to How Do You Make That?
I'm Mary, an adult services librarian.
And I'm Jake, a youth services librarian. And today we're making spooky fall treats.
Amazing.
We're starting today with vampire bites, inspired by the book Spooky Snacks and Treats, frightfully fun Halloween recipes for kids. For our vampire bites, you only need 3 easy ingredients. Apple slices, which we just bought an apple at the store and sliced it ourselves, peanut butter, and slivered almonds. So we're gonna start with our 3 ingredients. It's a very simple little snack, but simple, delicious, and pretty good for you. So we're gonna take our peanut butter, and we have our apples, and we've sliced them so they're pretty flat on the bottom. And we just, after washing our hands, spread a nice thick layer of peanut butter. Who doesn't love peanut butter? And if you wanted to make this more allergy friendly, you could use sun butter or the butter of your choice. Instead of slivered almonds, you could probably even use something like white chocolate chips, right, Mary?
Yeah, that would work.
Yeah, it'd be pretty delicious too. So you take your first little bottom lip, put our peanut butter down, and then we take our top lip and we squish them on there. And if a little peanut butter oozes out, that's totally fine. In fact, it'll actually make it easier for our almonds. So we just take our little fangs and we make sure there's a little bit of peanut butter right there for the fang. And if there isn't, we can just get a little bit on there and we stick it on. Get a little more peanut butter. Boop. And just stick it on. Doesn't that just look frightfully delicious?
And so we just did 2 fangs, but you can make a whole mouth if you really wanted to.
That's a great idea.
Yeah, and if you want to make it even spookier, you could use a little strawberry syrup, maybe that you would put on ice cream, and make a little blood drizzle. Ooh.
Mary, that's really spooky.
Wow. Our second treat is going to be this graveyard dirt cup. So to start with that, we have our clear cup here, and we have pudding. So we used a box mix that we mixed up right before this, and we're going to take 1 scoop and we're going to put it right in this clear plastic cup. You can be as messy or as neat as you like. I was a little messy. And then we're going to take 2 scoops. We have some crushed Oreos here in this cauldron, and we're going to use 1, 2, maybe 3, because we like a lot of dirt.
Yeah, I mean, whatever. Who doesn't like Oreos?
And then we're going to take 1 more scoop of our pudding.
And messy's okay, like you were saying, because that's why your kids can help. They can make their own.
And it's more fun if it's messy. So there we have our next scoop of pudding. We're going to get some more dirt. And again, maybe 3. We'll do 3 scoops.
Go big or go home, Mary.
And then, so we do have these worms. So we're going to use the worms. And I put 2 on the other one I made. You can use as many worms as you'd like. And I'm just going to have mine kind of crawling around.
Ooh, so realistic.
And then we have Nilla Wafers here that we've written a little something on. You can write whatever you'd like. Jake actually wrote this one.
So beautiful. My handwriting is beautiful.
And there we go. We have another one. And then if you have sprinkles, you could sprinkle some on there. We put purple ones on this one. There goes my worm.
He's escaping. He doesn't want to get eaten.
And there we go. How simple and fun is that? Now we have some great treats.
Yeah. Thanks for coming to How Do You Make That? We hope to see you again and with some more fun treats.
Yeah. Have a great day.